How to turn off dark mode on Snapchat. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Snapchat app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. This method works for both iPhone and Android, so you can simply continue with this process. Now all you have to do is tap on the Bitmoji icon or profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile section, you can see that we are in the dark mode. Now all you have to do is tap on the settings or gear icon available at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and look for the app appearance under My Account and simply tap on it. Now there you can see Always Light to disable dark mode option available, or you can also choose Match System and ensure iOS is set to light mode. So here I'm tapping on the Always Light. Then simply tap on the Apply option of level there and confirm it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.